The original Oris Aquis Cherry was such a beautiful watch and a huge hit. Well, I've got good news if you've got a larger wrist like mine. Welcome back to the channel for Right Time Watches here in Denver, Colorado. I'm thrilled to be sharing today's watch because the original version came out in a size that made me just feel like I shouldn't be wearing it, but now they've come out with the Oris Aquis Cherry in the original Aquis size of 43.5 millimeters. I'm so excited about that, it fits my wrist so well, but before we dig into all of this watch's details, we'll invite you to subscribe to the channel so you catch all of our upcoming videos. The size of this model is 43.5 millimeters in diameter with a 50 millimeter lug-to-lug. It's 13.2 millimeters thick, and this one is powered by the Oris modified SW200 automatic. The best part about this series of watches is this gorgeous cherry red dial with a sunray finish. It looks so good out in sunlight, and when you take it into indoor light like this, it almost becomes a dark, murky red. Some red dials can be a little bit in your face, but this one I really appreciate the versatility that you get here. Like I said, this one is a little bit larger with the 43 millimeter on the right and the 41 millimeter on the left. Both are still options, so you can purchase whichever one suits your wrist. But like I said, for me, I've got an 8-inch wrist, so to see this 43.5 millimeter become available in this cherry dial, I got super excited. A few of the crowning features on this watch include the gorgeous relief bezel, which is really different from a standard ceramic insert. Of course, we also get a nice sapphire crystal, a screw-down crown with these beautiful industrial-style crown protectors, short integrated lugs with their proprietary screw-in system, and of course, classic Aquis styling. Even with its slightly more elegant look on this watch, you still get a tough tool watch with 200 meters of water resistance and a dive timing bezel. The bezel action feels good, as you'd expect from an Aquis watch. These are really high quality timepieces at a great price. Speaking of high quality, the Oris Aquis bracelet is one of my favorite in this price category. It's attractive with polished outer links and has a fantastic high quality deployant milled buckle down here. This is sturdy and well made and definitely gives the feeling of a high quality luxury timepiece. For this model, they forego the caliber 400 and give us the standard Sellita automatic. This is a good, well-proven movement that's easy to work on for watchmakers, and it also helps keep the price of this particular model down, with some of the caliber 400s starting around $3,500 instead of $2,000. The watch also has decent lume, including a lume pip on the bezel, so you can actually use this for dive timing, even though it's a relief bezel. The watch really starts to stand out when you put it on your wrist. The Aquis case and bracelet are some of the most comfortable, being made of steel. They're still fairly heavy, but it doesn't feel bad on your wrist. It's very nice, conforming to my 8-inch wrist, and if you've got a smaller wrist, remember the 41 millimeter. With Oris's broad range of models, including this beautiful Aquis Cherry, I think what they do very well is make watches inclusive of many different individuals. Whether you've got a large wrist or a small, a man or a woman, there are definitely models within their catalog that will fit what you're looking for. This Aquis Cherry is absolute dynamite, and I have no hesitations recommending it to anyone. Oris is just simply the best. I love almost everything they do. All the watches we've gotten this year have been fantastic, and I really feel like they're listening to the collector community in what they want. Multiple sizes, multiple colors, multiple finishing. I really find this brand, and this watch in particular, to be incredible. If you'd like to purchase this watch or any of our others, please visit us online at righttime.com or give us a call. We're always happy to help. As always, thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll see you next time at Right Time.